Cut a circle big and round, make a face that's also sound. Eyes and nose and mouth we carve with our little pumpkin starve. Grab some paint, let's make it bright. Colors orange, black and white. Add a spooky hat on top. We can't wait, we just can't stop. Pumpkin crafts, we're having fun underneath the autumn sun. Little hands and little smiles, crafting pumpkins all the while. Glitter glue and shiny beads, making pumpkin sprouts from seeds. Sticky fingers, sticky fun, look at what we've just begun. Wiggly worms and googly eyes make our pumpkins full of spice. Every piece we add with glee, crafting pumpkins joyfully. Pumpkin